Hello everyone, this is me Anjan Ghising Tamang, a student of University of West London, and today I'm here to present my work on the seating algorithm for Lucas Airlines Group based on the assignment 3, advanced topic in software engineering. So this is my landing page for the for first landing page for the flight search. So user can select the required details and search for the flight. So if user select the flight like this, flight's not available, so user have to select the information correctly. So here's the available seat, and user can see the seating plan for the available aircraft, available flight. So this is the action which can perform by any on-registered user. So if they try to select or book the seat, they are not allowed to do so. So they must have to log in to select the book. And here's the login process. Before login, if the user is not registered, they have to go through the registration process. So I have already registered my user. I will go to the login. So here I insert my details. So total number of passenger, and I go to first class, and I've got the available flight, and then I can choose the flight. Yeah. And another thing is the main seating algorithm. So here I have used the adjacent technique to avoid the single scatter seat. It is basically the selected seat should be the leftmost or rightmost. Then only user can proceed for the seat selection. So here in the first row, the first seat is unavailable, so user can select this. So after that, the user should allow to select second seat of the row and last seat of the row. So user can select this or this on the first selection. If I start from this, I can select this, but I cannot go to this seat. So this is how I have done this. If I choose the first seat here, I cannot go to second row. So first select all row and then go to the other row. And then if I do like this, it cannot do. I go either left side or right side. So these are for two person. So this is how I've done. And here user can enter the detail, and if the child system always here's the rules of policy of the airlines to give the 25% discount for the child. So this is how it's done. So I can log out my system, and here I can log in. So this is basically the application that I have done in the React.js. So for the backend, I have chooses the Node.js, and for the database, I have chooses the PostgreSQL. So here are my here is my database, local airlines, and here are my tables. And I have also uses the store procedure, which is very important for the database call. So basically, store procedure is the pre-compiled course. I mean, pre-compiled SQL queries, which we used to call by the API. So here I can see the get all user, where I takes all the required input and gives the further outputs based on the others tables like user and user type. So this is what is done, and similarly here we can see the flight detail. So here I can see the, sorry for this, and yeah, the function retains all the required data for the flights. And this is how I've done the store procedure. And I have other like check login suspended and yeah, delete flight and so on. So this is the VS Code, where I've used to code my application. And client side and server side, I have client side React code, and whereas the server side I have Node.js and Express, and I've also used the TypeScript for the coding. And so this is my index page, where I have made the different APIs, and I have also used the codes to protect the systems. So another things is that about the store procedure, it will also prevent the SQL injection as well. So this is basically my backend Node.js, and I've also used the SQLite for the database connection. And for the client side, I have the API call like this. So using Axios and so on. And if I go to the seed page, I have the function called handle seed click, which is basically handling the selected sheet. And before that, I'll try to explain my algorithm flowchart, where I've done the work. So here about the algorithm, first part is checking the maximum number of seat. If the maximum number exists, it will always give the error message. If not, we check the available seat, and then if the seat is selecting first time, and user will let the user the selected seat will be checked if it is rightmost of the available seat or leftmost. If it is, then user are allowed to sit. If no, then please select the adjacent seat. So if the user selects second time, so it will go filter, it will first check the previous selected seats row, and if the previous selected row is not full, so user try to go to another row, then it will always it will give the error message that needs to be select the adjacent seat in the previous row, and then only go to the other row. So this is how I've done the seating algorithm. So here's the coding. Like if selected length means if user is selecting the seat first time, then it will go to the row seat. It's the selected row C. It will give the row of the selected seat. Like if I select A1, then the rows of the A1 seats are like A2, A1, B1, C1, D1, like this, and that is the row of the seat. And we will find the rightmost and leftmost. If the seat selected seat is leftmost or rightmost, they will be able to select the seat. If not, it will return false. That means user cannot select the seats. So if the user is selecting the second time, more than one time, and that will go to the else block. So it will it will first find the row of a previous selected row, and then filter the availability of the seat in that row. If there is available seats, and user is going to selects the available seats, adjacent seats in that previous of the previous row, then user will be able to select the row, that means rightmost or leftmost of the previous row. So if the row is empty, and then it will go to the selected seat row, means if the row 1 is full, it will go to the second row. If the user try to select the other row, user can select the row. So this is how I've done the seating algorithm. So this is my backend code, and I have used the PowerShell for the development and Git for the version control. And here you can see the deployment status. So this is it. Thanks for watching.